Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Live Catia practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design a simple cap or hats, whatever you can say. You can see this is the model that we are going to design in this video. So let's open a part first. I will go to the wireframe and surface design here. I'm not going to use the generative shape design here. Look at here. Here I will do one thing. I will just hide these planes. I don't want this planes, and I will go with the, I'll insert here axis systems. Let it be like this. Here I will go for the circle and I will choose this is my origin and this is my supporting plane, and I'll be going for the full round here, and I'll be giving the diameter. Suppose I'm going to give here 260. Now you can see here it's looking like this. Now I'll go for the point generation. I will choose here this point and I'll choose this. On this curve I want to place the points, and I'll be taking here 6 number of point. So I'll be giving the input 6 and just click on the preview. Now you can see here 6 points are generating. Just go with the OK. Now I will modify these points. Like, I'll just do one thing. I'll take this. You can double click on that point and I will change it. I will go for the coordinate and I will just move this into upward. So that's the reason I will change the Z value. So I'll be giving the Z value 85 and just go with the OK. The same way I will change this also. Here I will be changing once again coordinate and I will be giving here value 85, and I will change this one also. Go for this coordinate and change the Z value, which is 85. Now I will do little modification to this one also. I will be giving here the Z value. I want to move it in downwards directions, so I'll be giving the -35 I can give. In the same way I will change for this also. I'll be giving the value here -35. For Z only we are making the change. The same way I will change for this also. Give the Z value -35. Now you see here these are the points which I will use as reference. Now you can hide this sketch. Click on this. If you want you can hide that. Even you can hide this axis also. I will hide this axis. Now you see I have this point and I will go for the spline here. I'll start a spline from here, this point to this point to this point. I'll connect to this point. Again I will connect to this point. Then I will connect to this point. Finally you can go for here close spline. Now you can see here your sketch is like this. Now we have here one more command here. You can see here fill. So click on the fill and select this and just go with the OK. Now you can see here this portion has created like this. Now if you want you can hide this or let it be. We will work on it later. I'll just keep these planes visible once again, and I will go for the plane selection here. I will take one more plane. I'll be giving the distance from there, which is 200. Go with the OK. Now I will just select this plane and go for the sketch, and I will draw one circle like this, and I'll be giving the diameter of that circle 290 and just go with the OK. Now come out from the sketch and I will be going for this command here. Click on the extrude and just reverse the direction like this and give their value up to element and choose this as my element and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Here I will go for one operation called split. So click on the split. Here I will be choosing this element to cut, and this is my cutting element, and just go with the OK. Now you can see here this bottom portion got trimmed. Now once again you can go for this command here called fill. So I will click on this fill and click over here and go with the OK. Now you can see your model is looking like this. Now I will go to the tools and go for the hide, and I will hide all the sketches. Then I will hide all the planes. I'll hide all the planes. Okay. And I will go for this once again, tools, hide. I'll hide all the curves. I will hide all the points. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Now I will go for the command called join. So click on this. I want to join this surface and this surface, and just let it be the margin distance 0.001 and just go with the OK. Now I'll change the workbench. I'll go back to the part designs and I will add here little thickness. Click on this and go for the thickness. I'll add both the side 1 mm, 1 mm. Go with the OK. Now you can see here it's looking like this. I'll go for the fillet right now, and here you can do one thing. I'll go to this once again tools and go for the hide, and I will hide all the surfaces. Click on the fillet here. So this is the fillet tool. Select this and give the fillet radius of 20 and just go with the OK. In the same way I'll be going for this fillet here to this edge and fillet radius of 20 like this. Now you can see your model is look like this. Even you can do one thing. I'll be choosing here one type of fillet called tritangent fillet. Here I'll be choose this face and this face. In the faces to remove tab, I'll be selecting this face and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Now I will go for the materials. I'll go with this apply materials, and I'll go to the fabric, and under fabric I'll apply here this leather and just go with the OK. Now I'll change it from here. So now you can see here your model is ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on Catia and other softwares. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.